Hello everyone, welcome back to Idols. My name is Harsha Shah and today we are going to learn a very different type of choreography. Can you guess for which choreography you are here? Okay, let me tell you. This is regarding one subject जो आप daily school में सीखते हो, जो important है daily life में. Can anyone guess it? Which subject? Yes? Right, it's maths. ओके सो मैथ्स के बारे में हम लोग क्या सीखने क्या वाले हैं? एनी गेसेस? यस, डिफरेंट ऑपरेटर्स, साइन सिंबल्स व्हिच आर यूज्ड इन मैथ्स. ओके, तो इट विल बी अ टाइप ऑफ गेम व्हेन वी आर लर्निंग. जब भी हम लोग सीख रहे हैं कोरियोग्राफी, यू हैव टू गेस व्हिच ऑपरेटर इट इज. ओके, अगर आप सही गेस करते हो देन यू कैन गिव योरसेल्फ 10 पॉइंट्स और एल्स माइनस और 0. ओके, लेट्स गो. तो हम अपनी कोरियोग्राफी में ये क्यों कर रहे हैं? पहले तो बहुत लोगों को मैथ्स पसंद होता है पर बहुत लोगों को नहीं भी होता है. सो इट इज़ अ गुड वे टू ग्रास्प द थिंग्स थ्रू द मूवमेंट्स. ओके, तो अगर किसी को डांस पसंद है पर मैथ्स नहीं पसंद है तो वो इस चीज़ से याद रख सकते हैं कि ओके ये ऑपरेटर कौन सा है, ये इस डांस स्टेप में यूज़ हुआ था. ओके, एंड आई होप इट विल मेक योर लर्निंग मैथ्स ईजी. ओके, तो अभी हम लोग स्टार्ट करते हैं कोरियोग्राफी से. एंड दिस कोरियोग्राफी यू आर गोइंग टू फील लाइक अ स्टार. ओके, आपको फुल एटीट्यूड, स्टाइल जो आप यूज़ कर सकते हो एकदम स्टाइलिश दिखने के लिए, यूज़ इट. तो हम लोग स्टार्ट करेंगे विद आवर लेग्स वाइड ओपन एंड वी आर गोइंग टू पॉइंट आउट. अभी आपको गेस करना है ऑपरेटर. 1 2 3. Have you guessed the operator? Yes, no? I'll show it one more time. 1 2 3. Okay, those who have guessed the operator can tell me which operator it is. What division? No. Yes, can you tell me? Correct. Therefore. It's therefore. See, point, point, and up. Okay, so 3 points, tuck, tuck, tuck. Okay, now this is our step. While doing that tuck, 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 making a therefore sign, we are going to move our legs like this. 1, 2, and then straight. Okay, let's try it. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3. Now, as I told you, you have to make yourself a star. So now turn your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now let's try it one more time. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is on the lyrics. Cause I am in the stars tonight. Okay, so what is the lyrics? Cause I am in the stars tonight. Okay, let's try it one more time. 5, 6, legs wide open. Remember this. 5, 6, else if you keep it like this, you cannot move now. Okay, let's go. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try the lyrics. 5, 6, 7, go. Cause I am in the stars tonight. Now, let's see if we are having another operator in our step. 1. So hand and leg are moving together. 1. Now we are joining 2, but there is one twist in that. You have to move your hips also. Now how is that possible? See, 1 till here it's simple. Now you have to move your hips first. Tuck. And you're going to pull it like this. Okay, let's try. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2. Getting it? Let's go. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2. Same ways, same thing, another side, side change. Let's go. 1, 2. Okay. Let's try it again. So, from the start, on the lyrics first, and I will tell you lyrics of the steps which we have done right now. So, legs wide open. 5, 6, 7, go. 'cause I am in the stars tonight. So watch me bring the fire, said the till here. Okay, so what is the lyrics? So watch me bring the fire. Now set the night alight. Now another stylish move. 1, 2. So how we are doing it? So I'll break it down to the hand movement and leg movement. See, 1, 2. Again, circle, circle halfway and point it out. Again, 5, 6, 7, go. Start it from here. We are starting circle from here. 1, halfway, tuck. And how is our leg going? Tuck. Leg is going only in one count. Okay. Let's try both the things together. 1, 2. Okay. So leg and hand going together. 5, 6, 7, go. So it goes 1, 2. Now, what is the lyrics of this? We did, 'cause I am in the stars tonight. So watch me bring the fire, set the night alight. So it is set the night alight. So just get ready for my performance. Okay, you have to feel that way. I'm already feeling it. Okay, let's go. 5, 6, 7, go. 'Cause I am in the stars tonight. So watch me bring the fire, set the night alight. Oh, did you guess the operator which we have used? Who has guessed? Tell me. Yes. Yes. There was no operator? No, there was. Okay, I'm showing you step one more time. Try to guess it. Okay, someone got it because I took a pause. Okay, right. So we are using forward operator, backward operator. Okay, let's try it again. 5, 6, 7. Let's try it from the top. 5, 6, 7. Legs wide open. 5, 6, 7. 'Cause I am in the stars tonight. So watch me bring the fire, set the night alight. Now, after this, there is one bass sound. Boom. Okay, so on that, you're going to join your legs and hop little. Small hop, because sound is also like okay, boom, like that. Okay, let's try it. So we ended in this position. So we are going to bring back our left leg and both the hands together and hop little. Okay, now after this, we are going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is our leg movement. I'll show you hand movements. Let's do the leg movement first. So till then, you can keep your hands on your waist. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, all right. I know somebody has guessed the operator already. I will ask you. Wait for some time. Okay. 5, 6. Only leg movements. 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, 2, 3. If you have noticed, I'm shifting my weight to show this particular angle. Okay. So 1. My weight is on the left side. Right leg is loose. 2, 3. Okay. Now how we are going to use our hands? We are going to use our hands. 1, 2, 3. Also we are using our upper body. Like this. Okay. So hands and leg go in one direction like this. 1 and body is going away. 2, 3. Okay. So both the hands you will keep it here. They will go like this. How the hands are moving? Like this. Okay. Let's try it again. 5, 6. So this was our last position. Tuck, tuck. Okay. Now what is there? One hop is there. Don't forget it. One small bounce. Okay. 5, 6, 7. Go. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. It is 4 times. After this, we have the step, but let's do it on the lyrics first. Let's know on which lyrics it is. We'll try it from the start. Okay. What's the starting lyrics? Tell me. Firstly, keep your legs apart. 5, 6, 7, go. Yes, that's the right. 'Cause I am in the stars tonight. So watch me bring the fire, set the night alight. Now, shoes on. Get up in the morning. Okay, so get up in the morning it is. So again, 5, 6, 7, go. Shoes on. Get up in the morning. Cup of milk. Let's rock and roll. I know you're thinking how to do that step. Okay, yes, we are learning it. Okay, we had finished our last step here. Now, we are going to keep our heel down by twisting it, okay? If you're able to see it clearly, watch here. We are on our toes. We are going to keep our heel. Then again, toes, heel, toe, heel, toe. Okay, again, let's try. Last position, 5, 6, 7, go. Heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe. Okay, this is going to go in particular sequence. I'll tell you. Let's first try this one more time. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now, this is going to go in the sequence like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, listen how it is going to go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this was our last position. So our 1, 2 will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, you have to say the same thing with me. Let's go. Don't say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's try. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's do it one more time. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we'll do it on the music, according to the music lyrics, I mean. From the start, let's go. 5, 6, 5, 6. Yes. Thanks for reminding me. Legs wide open. 5, 6, 7, go. Cause I am in the stars tonight. So watch me bring the fire, set the night alight. Shoes on, get up in the morning, cup of milk, let's rock and roll. Okay, so it's coming like this. Let's try last step. I know it's difficult for you. We'll do it one more time. Okay, last step. Okay, we'll start from shoes on. Okay, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Okay, till here. Okay, one more time. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Okay, let's try it on according to the song lyrics. One more time. 5 from the top. Yes, this is first position. 5, 6, 7, go. Cause I am in the stars tonight. So watch me bring the fire, set the night alight. Shoes on, get up in the morning, cup of milk, let's rock and roll. Okay, everyone came till here. Cool. Now, I have not forgotten that which sign or symbol we have used of maths. You have to guess it. Yes. I know. You told it before only that we are using this sign symbol. Let others also guess. Okay. Yes. Can you tell me? Right. It is greater than, less than operator. Okay. Let's try it from the start till here. Then we'll move further again. 5, 6. Oh yeah. 5, 6, 7. Go. Cause I am in the stars tonight. So watch me bring the fire, set the night alight. Shoes on. Okay, yeah, it's possible that I forget the lyrics. Okay, आप भी बोल सकते हो. Okay, now let's move further. So this was our last position. Now from here, you're going to do kicks, few kicks like this. 1, 2, 3. No, we are not kicking 4th time. Watch properly again. This was the last position. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3. Okay, then you might be guessing if you are not kicking 4th time, what we are doing. I'll show. We are just keeping leg and then keeping it on side. Okay. Okay, someone guessed it. Don't tell it now, wait. Again, we'll try. Last position. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. After that, we are going to walk first. Let's learn the walk. Okay, so this was our legs last position. Now we are just going to cross, open, cross, open. Let's try it again. This was the last position. We are going to cross our left leg, open our right leg, cross right leg, open our left leg. Let's try. Cross, open, cross, open. With this, our hand movements will go. Yes, you can say it's mountain, hill, whatever you think. But also think of the symbols, don't forget it. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So we'll go to our last position. From here, we'll start with the kicks. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Let's try to know the lyrics of these steps. Okay. Let's do it from the start once. 5, 6, 7, go. 'Cause I am in the stars tonight. So watch me bring the fire, set the night alight. Shoes on, King Kong, kick the drum. Rolling in like a rolling stone. Okay, so what is the lyrics? Rolling in like a rolling stone. Okay, after that, okay, so this is our last position. Sing song. Da, 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 da. Okay, so now we are going to sing song on the way back home. So what did we just do? We are singing and moving behind with our right leg going first behind. Okay, 5, 6, and see. Just walk behind, right, left. Now when you put the second right time, now together. Okay, again 5. Let's do only leg movement first. Right, left, right, and join. Let's do it one more time. 5, 6, 7, go. Right, left, right, join. And now is our hand movement going? Right, left, right, join. So I'm giving the leg counts but doing hand movements. Let's try the same way again. So you remember how it will coordinate with the leg. Okay, 5, 6, 7, go. Right, left, right, join. Okay. Yes, I know many operators went. You have to guess. Wait for a few minutes. We will showcase you all the operators and you can then update your score. Okay. Now let's try again. Where did we finish last step? King Kong, kick the drum, rolling, till here. Okay. Now after this, you're going back while singing. Okay. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. Now let's try from top on the lyrics. Okay, 5, 6, 7. Yes, 5, 6, 7, go. 'Cause I am in the stars tonight. So watch me bring the fire, set the night alight. Shoes on, cup of milk, let's rock and roll. King Kong, kick the drum, rolling. Sing, yeah, I did it wrong. Sing song, ta ta ta. Now, sing song on the way home. Okay, I forgot the song. Let's try it one more time. I see. Okay, wait, I need to listen to the song. So we'll try it on the song till here first. So you will also get the lyrics, I will also get the lyrics. Okay, let's try it on the music once. Okay, so now we got the lyrics. So it is from the top, Libron. Okay, so we are going to show first top, then hands down, then up and down. I know, few people have guessed it. Wait for a few minutes more. Okay, so we are going to do 1, down, tuck, tuck. Again, what's the hand movement? 1, down, tuck, tuck. Now let's learn the leg movement. So before that, we'll go to last position. We went 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 5. So what we are doing on 5? Taking our right leg on the side. 5, 6, now 7, 8. Now while doing 7, 8, as I told you, 7, 8 it is. What it is? 7, 8. So it will go, we are going to hop with it. Okay, so let me show you once in continuation. So it goes like this. 1, 2, I know, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how it is going? You have to go in the running position. Okay, 5, 6, 7. So we are going from the song 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you're reaching here, last position. You increase the distance between your legs. Take your hands down. Now, when your hand goes up, you're going to hop with it and go in running position. Getting it? Let's try one more time. So 5, 6, 7, go. 1. Now, important thing here. Since we are keeping our hand loose, either you have many options. You can keep your hand here. You can keep it like this. You can keep it behind. You can keep it on your thigh. If you want to keep it loose, you can keep it loose. But important thing here, it should not move when you're doing other steps. We don't want people to see this moving hand, because important is this. Yes, I know you know that. Okay, let's go. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So that's the part 1 of the choreography. Let's try it on the lyrics. 5, 6. I might forget the words, few words of the lyrics. It's okay. I will say the tune at that time. Okay, let's go. Legs wide. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 5, 6, 7, go. Cause I am in the stars tonight. So watch me bring the fire, set the night alight. 2, shoes on, get up in the morning, cup of milk, let's rock and roll. King Kong, kick the drum, rolling in like a rolling stone. Oh, yes, I know, I did this leg first, which was not there. Okay, I will finish it, stop it here. Last step, last position, before we did wrong. Now let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. We are walking in front. Now let's move behind. 1, right. You got it right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's do it again. 5, 6, 7. Go. Same slow speed. It's okay. Yes, you're finding out the symbols, operators. It's okay. Find it out. Keep it. We are going to update it soon. Then tell me your scores, okay? In comments. 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's it. Do you have any doubts? Any questions? I cannot answer virtually, but you can do one thing. You can replay the video and watch it and learn it again and come back. Now let's try it once on song. Are you all ready? Let's go.
Jump up to the top of the road.
Okay, we'll do it one more time. Okay, so we have tried our choreography once. Now, yes, it's now the part where we are going to reveal our symbols, and you can guess it and calculate your points. We'll do it from the start in slow space, identify it properly. White space, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, the symbol is therefore. Tuck, 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 therefore. Now moving next. 1, 2, 3, 4. Forward slash, backward slash. Now, 1, 2. Here, no symbol, only step. Stylish move. Okay, now moving further. No symbol here. Now catch it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, you get it right. Got it right. सही पहचाना आपने. So this is greater than, less than. आगे बढ़ते हैं. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. No symbol here. Okay. After that, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, who has guessed it? Square root, division symbol. That's it. Now moving further. What is the next step? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this can be known as caret symbol, or else this is also used in as AND operator, where we use in electronics and mathematics when we do AND and OR operations. So this is used for AND. Okay. Now, so we did 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, time to guess the next one. Let's go. Yes, 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, you guessed it right. That's plus. Now moving further. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, that is a pi symbol. Which value is? What's the value of pi? क्या लिखते हैं वैल्यू पाई की? सोचो 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 सोचो. आपने यूज किया मुझे पता है. Yes, that is 3.14. Okay, so हमने क्या किया? 1 नीचे ऊपर ऊपर नीचे. Okay, let me know अभी तक आपके points कितने हुए. I am very inquisitive to know it. Okay, let's try it from the start. Once on the original pace and then on the song. Okay, let's go. 5, 6, 7, go. 'Cause I am in the stars tonight. So watch me bring the fire, set the night alight. Shoes on, get up in the morning, cup of milk, let's rock and roll. King Kong, kick the drum, rolling like a rolling stone. Sing song on the way home, jump up to the top of the broom. Yes. Now let's try it on the song. Are you ready? Let's try it on the song. Get ready in your position. 5, 6, 7, go. Hope you are enjoying it, learning different operators, symbols of maths, and including it in dance. Do you want to try it one more time on the song? Okay, let's go. Take your position. 5, 6, 7, and go. Okay, my bad. I know I did it wrong. We'll do it one more time. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, go. that's it. That's the part 1 of the choreography. अभी हम बढ़ेंगे part 2 की तरफ. If you want to take a short break, आप अभी जाके वापस आ सकते हो 5 मिनट में. Let's go. Welcome back. Okay, now let's move towards the part 2 of the choreography. तो हमारी last position थी यहाँ पे, running position. Okay, अब हम लोग यहाँ से करेंगे 1. हाँ, किसी ने सही बोला, खिड़की में देखना. But also try to connect it with maths. 2. Now, again, 5, 6, 7. Last position. 5, 6, 7. Go. We'll use same leg on same side. 5, 6, 7. Go. Left leg, right leg. If you have noticed, we are also changing our hands like this. Okay. So first hand movement. 1, 2. Okay. Let's go. 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, 2. After that, calling on the phone and you will twist your leg like this. 1, 2. Okay? 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2. So the lyrics of this is ding dong, call me on my phone. Now iced tea and a game of ping pong. There is a further lyrics. So we are doing it. Iced tea and game of ping pong. Okay. Yes, you're already starting to guess the operator. Okay, I'm revealing it. Starting position, we are going 1, 2. Yes, right. This is equal to operator. Then 1, 2. It's just a calling symbol, not related to maths. Now we'll move further. 1, 2. Yes. Guess. Right, multiplication. Then, what is this? Oh, I'm punching someone with my elbow. Yes, you can think that the symbol is also symbol. Minus symbol. Okay. After this, अभी मुझे बताना symbol किसी चीज़ में दूसरे symbol में convert हो रहा है, नहीं हो रहा है, कैसे क्या चल रहा है. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so what we are doing? Step हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं पहले? हाथ हमारा पहले ऐसे था, थोड़ा turn हो गया. हम लोग कर रहे हैं ऊपर नीचे with leg movement. ऊपर नीचे. Okay, so twisting a leg. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do it again. Last position. 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then same thing on another side. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, you are guessing it right. From minus operator, we went to division. Okay, now let's move further. With the lyrics, we'll do once first. 5, 6, 7, go. Ding dong, call me on my phone. Iced tea and a game of ping pong. Now this is getting heavy. Can you hear the bass boom already? Oh, till here. Okay. Now further, we are going to do this move. Okay, let's learn first leg movement. Cross, join, cross, join. Okay. So finish it here. Simple leg movement. Cross, join, cross, join. Now with this, our hands will go cross, join, cross, join. Let's try one more time. 5, 6, 7, go. Cross, join, cross, join. Okay, so we had finished our last step here. Now from here, let's go to that step. 1, 2, 3, 4. After this, so we did from here, ding dong, okay, let's do it from the sitting position, from the second part. 5, 6, 7, go. Ding dong, call me on my phone. Iced tea and a game of ping pong. This is getting heavy. Can you hear the bass boom already? Ooh. Life is sweet as honey. We are stopping it here on the lyrics. Life is sweet as honey. Now can you hear the beat cha-ching like money? Okay, so that is the next lyrics. So we have finished it here. Now on the word beat, we are going to hit 1. So hit it and we'll start the wave. So how is the wave going to be? Okay, 1, 2, and 3. We are not finishing our wave, we are stopping it here. Yes, you have guessed the symbol right. It's approximately. Symbol's name is approximately. Okay, 5, 6, 7. We have finished last step. 5, 6, 7. Go. Beat. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we have come till here. Now, very simple step. Up, down, up, down, and then up, down, up, down. हाँ लेग मूवमेंट बता रही हूँ, पहले हैंड मूवमेंट करते हैं. अगेन 5, 6, 7 को हमने यहाँ पे ख़त्म किया. इसके बाद में हम लोग कर रहे थे हाँ बीट पे. बीट symbol which is approximately name of the symbol, then open, up, down, up, down, up, down. Now with this our legs will move up, down, and up, down, up, down. Okay, now let's do it from the start again. 5, 6, 5, 6. Ready now? Sit, take your position. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. अरे लिरिक्स बोलो, आगे क्या है तो याद आएगा, नहीं तो नहीं याद आएगा. अच्छा फिर से लिरिक्स के साथ स्टार्ट करें. ओके लेट्स गो. 5, 6, 7, go. Ding dong, call me on my phone. Iced tea and a game of ping pong. This is getting heavy. Can you hear the bass boom already? Ooh, ooh. Life is sweet as honey. Beat. And we are ending it on word money. Now, this is, yes, I didn't tell you the lyrics. This lyrics is, for this step is, guess it, where we do this step majority times. Disco, yes. Go, overload. I mean today, I'm good to go. Okay, again, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, don't keep your hand. It will look here very good. यहाँ पे ही हाथ रखो. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8. After this, okay, I'm diamond and you know I glow up. Okay, तो हमने सिम्बॉल्स यहाँ तक पढ़े थे, डिवीजन तक. इसके बाद में कोई सिम्बॉल आया? देखो देखो. 1, 2, 3, 4. No symbol here. We are just doing step. After that, हाँ यहाँ पे आया जो हमने बोला approximately. After this, we are going. ये मैंने नहीं बताया. Yes करो. Yes, we are using greater than and less than sign. Okay. After this, I'm a diamond. You know I glow up. We have used something like this before. It was like this. So this was caret or and operator. This is, you can tell, either reverse of caret or else or operator. Okay. So here we finished. Now let's go. Yes, this is the end of the choreography. Okay, let's do it from the start of the second part. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, would you like to try this part on the song, part 2 on the song? Okay, let's try it on the song. Let's go. Sit in the last position of the part 1. Take a position. Yes, you have to sit down, quick. Yes, song is playing. Let's go. Shoes on, get up in the mood, come on, baby, let's rock and roll. Kick out, kick the drum, roll along like a rolling stone. Sing song when I'm walking home, jump up to the telephone. Think I'm calling on my phone, I see how you're ping pong. This is great, baseball. Yes, it's okay. Even I'm forgetting, it's my choreography, I'm forgetting. It's okay, you can also forget because you're learning it for first time. We'll try it more times and you will also get the choreography. Let's try it one more time, half part, let's go. Take your starting position of part 2.
Let's rock and roll. Kick out, kick the drum, rolling on like a rolling stone. Sing song when I'm walking home, jump up to the top of the road. Think I'm coming on my phone, lady, and I get my ping pong. This I hit this I'm ready. This party, this beach chill like money. This all alone, I need to step, I need to go. You know I'm good. Let's go.
Okay, now would you like to try it from the top to end? Yes, who is interested? Raise your hand so that I can know. Okay, let's go. Let's try it from top. Take your position, first position, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go.
Ain't it fascinating? So much me to bring down, focus in the night. Shoes on, get up in the morning, cup of milk, let's rock and roll. Kick out, kick the drum, rolling on like a rolling stone. Sing song when I'm walking home, jump up to the top of the road. Big down, call me on my phone, nice tea, and I get my ping pong. Let's play, please, I'm ready. This party, this beach chill like money. This all alone, I need to step, I need to go. You know I'm good. Let's go. Kiss off.
Okay, who wants to do it one more time? Yes, if I see the majority hands, majority yes, then we'll go further. Okay, let's go one more time. Take your position, 5, 6, 7, and go.
Cause I ain't it fascinating? So much me to bring down, focus in the night. Shoes on, get up in the morning, cup of milk, let's rock and roll. Kick out, kick the drum, rolling on like a rolling stone. Sing song when I'm walking home, jump up to the top of the road. Think I'm coming on my phone, nice tea, and I get my ping pong. This beach chill like money. This all alone, I need to step, I need to go. You know I'm good. Let's go. Kiss off.
Okay, one last time we are going to do it. Ready, steady, and go.
Cause I ain't it fascinating? So much me to bring down, focus in the night. Shoes on, get up in the morning, cup of milk, let's rock and roll. Kick out, kick the drum, rolling on like a rolling stone. Sing song when I'm walking home, jump up to the top of the road. Think down, call me on my phone, nice tea, and I get my ping pong. This beach chill like money. This all alone, I need to step, I need to go. You know I'm good. Let's go. Kiss off.
Okay, so this is our end of the choreography, which was based on maths operators and symbols which are used. I hope you will get to identify now clearly when you're practicing maths. And did you enjoy dance? Yes or no? How will I know? You have to comment down. Okay. And if you like our choreography, learn it, practice it. You can make the video and share it with us. And also come back for more different types of choreographies and gaining a lot of knowledge. Thank you so much from Idols. That's it for today.